plus materials, so that you people will be able to do everything in one shot. Oh, wait. Everyone join as fast as possible, please. Now we are starting the session. Hey! Quickly, we will start solving the questions. Just join the session and say the answers as fast as possible. The first wire is very critical, problem will come. Everyone get ready for the answers, please. So you start answering the question. A. The first question is life process. Now look at. From 21 questions, arrangement of questions is not done properly. So please kindly check here. What is the question? Which process is necessary for release of energy from food? Photosynthesis, respiration, excretion, or transportation? What is the correct answer? Excretion. Which process is most important is? Twenty-first answer is, I will not say anything. Very intelligent person. The correct answer is respiration. So release of energy will be exactly done with the help of respiration. So the correct answer is B. Which gas is released during photosynthesis? Oxygen gas is released during photosynthesis. The correct answer is oxygen. The breakdown of glucose in the presence of oxygen is called anaerobic, fermentation, aerobic, or photosynthesis. Aerobic or anaerobic? The breakdown of glucose in the presence of oxygen. Aerobic respiration, there is no other thing. It is called as aerobic. Online, all the children are correct. Aerobic respiration means breaking of glucose in presence of oxygen. Breaking of glucose in presence of oxygen. Beta, can you inform in the group class that is ma'am will come and she will punch you people? Now look here. Question number 24. Which organ remove nitrogenous waste in human? Liver, kidney, lungs, or heart? See, heart is transporting. Lungs, nitrogenous waste, or kidney, which organ removes nitrogenous waste? The correct answer is kidney. Kidney removes nitrogenous waste. Next question. The opening and closing of stomata is regulated by epidermis, guard cells, root hairs, or xylem. The correct answer is guard cells. Which part of human heart prevents mixing of oxygen and deoxygenated blood? Which part of heart is exactly, okay, here offline children has given an answer, but online children they are quite confused about the answer. The correct answer here is, which part of human heart prevent mixing of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood? The correct answer is septum. Septum separates the left and the right part of the heart. So septum is separating the left and the right part of the heart. So which part means answer is C. C. Atrium is upper section, ventricle is lower section. Valves are very tiny, what you call button size opening. And that is exactly, I hope you might have understood. Yes, little confused. No, no need for confusion. The correct answer here is septum. Septum is separation of left side and the right part of the heart by the wall. That wall is exactly considered as what? Septum. The wall is considered as septum. Transportation of food in plant occurs through xylem, phloem, cortex or epidermis. What is the correct answer? Transportation of food in plant is done through. Come on, say the answer. Xylem? No. Phloem. The correct answer here is phloem. Answer is phloem. Phloem is exactly associated with transportation of food. Understood? So now, next question. Which enzyme digests protein in stomach? Amylase? Come on. Which enzyme digests protein in stomach? Amylase, lipase, pepsin or trypsin. So you need to understand stomach only pepsin because pepsin is peptic cells. The peptic cells are generating what? Pepsin. So these peptic cells are exactly generating pepsins and pepsins are only digesting the protein. I hope everybody might have understood this one. So which process involves intake of oxygen and release of carbon dioxide? Intake of oxygen and release of carbon dioxide, nutrition, respiration, excretion or circulation. So the correct answer is respiration. This is level 0 question. The functional unit of kidney is nephron. Nephron is the functional unit of kidney. Very good. So in plant, water is transported mainly through xylem. So in plant, water is transported mainly through xylem. Which organ help in pumping blood throughout the body? Brain, lung, heart or liver? The correct answer is heart. Now, with the movement of food through alimentary canal is called? The movement of food through alimentary canal is called as peristalsis. Peristalsis is the movement of food. Very good. Online children, they are giving answers very fast. So next one is, which substance is formed during anaerobic respiration? Lactic acid. Absolutely. Because alcohol, carbon dioxide, see, alcohol, carbon dioxide and water. Exchange of gases in human lungs takes place in bronchi, trachea, alveoli or diaphragm. Alveoli is the balloon-like sac-like substances. They have the exactly pouch-like content. They help in exchange of gases. Which process remove metabolic waste from the body? Respiration, nutrition or excretion? Excretion. The pigment responsible for photosynthesis is hemoglobin, chlorophyll, melanin or carotene. The pigment responsible for photosynthesis is chlorophyll. Now, which blood vessel carries blood away from the heart? Arteries. Which blood vessel carries blood away from the heart? The correct answer is arteries. Arteries are the correct answer. Digested food is absorbed mainly in large. Digested food is absorbed not in large intestine. Digested food is absorbed mainly in small intestine. Large intestine only excessive of water. Large intestine excessive of water. But most of the food items are getting absorbed in small intestine. Understood? Because small intestine is exactly divided into 3 parts. What is jejunum, duodenum and ileum? Understood? Jejunum, duodenum and ileum. So correct answer here is small intestine. Loss of water in the form of vapor from leaves is called as transpiration. Absolutely. The correct answer here is transpiration. Heredity and evolution. Come on, get ready. Heredity and evolution question. The study of heredity is called as evolution, genetics, biology, or ecology. Genetics. Absolutely. Very good. Who is known as father of genetics? Mendel. Mendel is considered as the father of genetics. The alternative form of gene called, what is the alternative form of genes? They are called as traits. They are called as traits. The alternative forms are called as traits. And the alternative form of genes are called not chromosomes. Alternative forms of genes. See, what are traits? Traits are characteristics. Alternative form of traits are exactly what? Please listen with me very carefully. When somebody will be asking you about this alternative form, you need to answer only one question. Please check this one out. Whenever traits are there, traits are exactly dominant and recessive. The alternative form of genes are exactly alleles. Alleles, there will be two different types now. Same type dominant will be exactly always, dominant will be exactly taking always. So this is exactly the correct answer will be coming here as alleles. What is the correct answer? Alleles. Alleles is considered as the correct answer. Which trait appear in G1 F1 generation? Dominant. So 44 answer is exactly B. 44 answer is B, dominant. See, F1 generation is pure, it will come. So it will always be dominant. It will always be dominant. We'll go for the next one. The genotype of a heterogeneous cross is what? Heterogeneous genotype. What is the correct answer? I will not say. Heterogeneous, 45th answer. See, the genotype of a heterogeneous tall plant is T and T. Capital T and small t. It is heterogeneous. So heterogeneous capital T and small t. Heterogeneous is coming for capital T and small t. Can you post a message, love letter from my side to the students in the group that ma'am will seriously punch you people? Now we will go for 46 law. See, which law states that alleles separate during gamete formation? Which law is saying alleles separate during gamete formation? Law of segregation. B is what? Law of segregation. Law of segregation actually is telling that at the time of gamete formation, you know na haploid and diploid already I taught you. So at the time when we are discussing this one, haploid and diploid, it is exactly considered the answer is B. What is the answer here? B. Law of segregation. Now we go for the next one. Sex of human child is determined by mother, father, both for parent equally. No. The correct answer is B. Father. Understood? Because father will have X and Y. Understood? So 48 question. Which structure carries gene? Cytoplasm, ribosomes, chromosomes, or cell membrane? Chromosomes are carrier of genes. Absolutely correct. Chromosomes are carrier of genes. Acquired traits are called A. You say. 49th answer. Acquired traits are inherited, not inherited, always inherited, sometimes inherited. Acquired traits. If somebody will be asking you acquired traits. Acquired traits are those traits which are coming after birth. So they are not inherited. Understood now? So acquired traits like your finger got fractured, bone got replaced. Understood now? So these are considered as acquired traits. And acquired traits are always not inherited. That's why the word is called as acquired traits. Acquired traits are not inherited. Thank you for liking the class, sir, madam. Acquired traits are not inherited. Remember this one. Acquired traits are not inherited. We will go for question number B. 50. Variation is important because it causes disease, leads to evolution, reduces survival, stops reproduction. What was the correct answer? Thank you, beta. It leads to evolution. Evolution means change in the body structure, better adaptability. There will be a change in the species itself. Thank you so much, beta. So now, which organism shows the presence of vestigial organ? Which organism shows the presence of vestigial organ? Means in which organism vestigial organ according to you is present? Which will have vestigial organ? Absolute. Very good wish for everyone. Thank you so much, beta. The correct answer is human. Yeah, vestigial means those organs which is of no use now. Understood not? Like look here. First now, just I'm telling you one thing. Our eyes now it will have an extra shutter. So this eyes extra shutter was there. It used to flip and open and close. Understood not? Now this shutter got shrink into one place. Like pigeons are there now. In pigeons that shutter was there. So this pigeons now shutter is there. But now we are exactly using our eyelashes. Understood not? To protect our eyes so that become vestigial. Understood not? So one bone was there in the male reproductive part. Then that bone is now in due course of time got evoluted. Now appendix is of no use. Usually appendix was of high level use in previous time. So definitely what is the correct answer here is human. Now 52, homologous organs indicate same function, same origin, same habitat or same size. What is the correct answer here? What is the correct answer here? Same function, no. Homologous organ indicate same origin. Note down. So little question mistakes are coming. They are having same origin, children. Don't do mistake in this. They are having what? Same origin. What they are having? Same origin. So homologous organs indicate same origin. Which of the following is an example of analogous organ? Human arm and tail flipper, bat wing and bird wing, forelimbs of mammals, horn of bougainvillea and tendrils of cucurbita. Analogous we don't do. Analogous part is not in the syllabus. We'll not do that analogous question. Understood now? Now we can look at the theory of evolution was naturally selection of. It was exactly done by Mendel. No. The theory of evolution was done by Darwin. This is out of syllabus. We'll remove this. Okay, which term describes the preservation of favorable traits? Mutation, variation, natural selection or adaptation? I think this is evolution chapter part. We will not do this. No, this is evolution. Okay, we'll start assertion and reason. Are you all ready? Assertion and reason we are going to start. Get ready, please. Okay, assertion and reason part we are going to start. Okay, just take 1 minute break. We'll start assertion reason. Miss 1 minute break. Please don't go here and there. Stay there. Get ready. Call in group and say, "Ma'am is going to punch you people." Sunday celebrating, New Year celebrating. Let it drip water at least. Are you all ready for questions, please? Control and coordination, assertion reason we are going to do. Get it ready? I will not answer you. This is the first question. Go for it. A. Tell the answer, please. You know, whenever this assertion reason questions will be coming. So what is the correct answer here? See, reflex sections are quick response. Reflex sections are controlled by spinal cord. So since reflex sections are controlled by spinal cord, so it is a quick response. So answer here is A. The answer here is A. Now what is the second answer, please? Hormone act faster than nervous system. Is it true? Yes. Hey, hormones act slower than nervous system. The one which is very fast is nervous system. So hormone acts slower than nervous system. So here A is, people are involved with your... Will you come here and listen me first? Vishwa, you are coming here to study, not for talking. These two guys are studying and the third guy is talking. Vishwa, please, if you are not understanding, if I am going very fast, please you need to say that, ma'am, tell you go slow. I have no problem in going slow now. Got it? Now look at it. I'm going to tell you one thing. Please study. Second part answer you are only going to give. Tell me, the hormones act faster than nervous system. Is it true? Very good. Hormones act slower than nervous system. So assertion is false, reason is true. So option what it will come? C or D? C. D. D. Assertion is false, reason is true is D. Next one, the pituitary gland is called as master gland. It controls the functioning of other endocrine glands. Is it true or false? What will be the correct answer? Third answer will be what? See, pituitary gland is master gland. True. So pituitary gland is master gland. This statement is true. Now it controls the functioning of other endocrine gland. That is also true. So both the statements are true and the second one explains the first one. So what is the correct answer here is A. Now adrenaline prepares the body for emergency situation. Correct? Now fourth answer you say. Now look at adrenaline prepares the body from emergency situation. It increases heart rate and breathing rate. That's correct only, na? So only the pumping of the blood will become very, very fast. So what is the correct answer? The correct answer is A, because reason is explaining assertion. So correct answer will be coming as A. Now next one. Plant respond to stimuli using hormone. Plant do not have a nervous system. Correct only. So only they are exactly responsible for that. So here A is the answer. For fifth one answer will be what? A. Now because thyroxine control metabolism in the body. Iodine is required for synthesis of thyroxine. That's also absolutely correct. You know because thyroxine gland is there now. They will be the most vital growth development part of the body. Now it will be done by whom? Thyroxine. But beta, for that, what is most important? Iodine. What is most important is iodine. And beta, iodine will be taken from which material? Salt. Specifically rock salt will be giving you iodine. Understood? So only iodized salt should be taken. So answer is A. The cerebral maintains balance and posture. It controls involuntary action. This answer only you people will give. What is the correct answer, children? Come on, come on, come on. See, many people they are telling S, C. Many people they are saying A. The correct answer is not A. Cerebral maintains balance and posture. Okay, but it controls involuntary action is wrong. Understood? So it is controlling the voluntary part. Now you are handling anything, suddenly you are stopping. So it is controlling what? Voluntary. So this answer is not correct. So your assertion is true, but what is false is reason is false. So option is what beta? C. C is the correct answer. Now we will go for 9. Insulin deficiency causes diabetes. Insulin deficiency causes diabetes. 8th one is left. Auxin help in bending of plant towards light. Correct only because auxin is at the tip. Next, auxin promote cell elongation. Correct only, na beta. Auxin is promoting what? Cell elongation. So if cell elongation is coming, then only it is going to be na. So the correct answer is what beta? A. Absolutely correct. Now beta, insulin deficiency causes diabetes. Is it true? Insulin deficiency causes diabetes. Tell. Yes, deficiency of insulin will be causing diabetes. Most of the students they are saying answer here and there. What is the correct answer here is A. Because insulin regulates blood sugar level and beta it's less or more. Both are correct now. One time it will come more, one time it will come less. Both are deficiency and it will be causing what? Level of blood sugar level will be going up and down. Now nervous control is slower than hormonal control. Oh. Nervous control is not slower, it is faster. And next, nervous impulse travel through neuron. That's the true answer. So assertion is false and reason is true. So option is D. Very good. So now next one. Come on, go for question number 11. Respiration is essential for living organism. Respiration releases energy from food. What is the answer? A. Absolutely correct. See, here now why A is correct? See, respiration is essential for living organism. Correct? But beta, what is the work of respiration? The respiration process releases energy. See, respiration is not breathing in, breathing out. Respiration is a complete cellular process. Breathing in and breathing out is one of the part of respiration. Are you understanding? Respiration, inhalation and exhalation is a part of respiration. So respiration on and all is a bigger term. Respiration on and all is a bigger term. I hope you might have understood this one. So your answer is exactly going to be what? A. Question number 11. Respiration is essential for living organism. This one done. Photosynthesis occur in chloroplast. Chlorophyll absorbs light energy. A. Photosynthesis occur in chloroplast is correct only. Chloroplast is hexagonal structure and in chloroplast what is there? Chlorophyll. And chlorophyll is the one which will help in photosynthesis. So beta, the answer is absolutely correct. Answer is not wrong. Answer is absolutely correct. So here A is the option. What is the correct answer here is A. Now we will go for aerobic respiration produces more energy. Oxygen helps in complete oxidation of glucose. Yes, absolutely. Because in what you call in cytoplasm, it is in absence of oxygen. In mitochondria, it is presence of oxygen. Glycolysis will be done, and after that, total complete oxidation will be done. The heart has 4 chambers. This prevents mixing of oxygenated and deoxygenated air. Answer is A. 4 chambers are there, and what is the work of 4 chambers? That's what. So that answer is absolutely A. Very good. Now question is, xylem transport water in plant. Water moves upward due to transpiration pull. There is no other thought about it. What is the correct answer? A. Because transpiration will allow the water to go up. Next, stomata help in transpiration. Stomata are present on the surface of leaves. Correct only, na? So stomata are present on the surface of leaf. But most important part is missing here. Who can answer this question? Stomata help in transpiration. See, stomata help in transpiration is one part. Exchange of gases. Stomata are present on the surface of leaf. Stomata is present in the backside of the leaf. At the time of teaching, what did I say? Here the what you call that cortex part will be there, na, where what you call gel-like substance will be there, whose work is to trap sunlight. But backside only stomata pores are there. So assertion and reason true, but reason is not explaining assertion. Reason is not explaining. Both the statements are true, but reason is not explaining assertion. That's the most important part. Now protein digestion. So digestion of protein starts in stomach. Pepsin breaks protein into amino acids. That's the most important correct answer. Absolutely correct. A. The alveoli increase efficiency of gas exchange. They provide a large surface area. Absolutely. The correct answer is A. We do not have any next thought about it. Now can you tell the next question, beta? Nephron is the functional unit of kidney. It filters blood to remove waste. Correct answer A. The anaerobic respiration produces less energy. Glucose is completely broken down. Are they both matching? No. See, first is assertion is true. Assertion is true. Anaerobic respiration produces less energy. Glucose is completely broken down. It's not the correct answer. We can't break glucose completely. So what is the correct answer here is assertion is true, but reason is false. Assertion is true, but reason is false. So correct answer is coming here as C. Absolutely correct. Now we will go for next. How is the speed today? Little fast. Can I make it slow? Correct speed. Now look at that. Traits are passed from parents to offspring. Gene carry hereditary information. Are they A, B, and C? This is exactly the most part. Yeah. So those who are saying A, first I'll explain. Traits are passed from parents to offspring. That's the correct answer. Traits are passed from parents to offspring. Now, gene carrying hereditary information is also true. And gene will be the one who is. So answer will be A, no other options. Understood? So now answer is A. Dominant trait appear in F1 generation. Dominant allele is masked recessive allele. What is the correct answer? A. There is no other answer here. The correct answer is A. 23. Variation is important for survival of species. Acquired traits are inherited. No. Assertion is false. These traits affect the DNA of gene term. Both are false. Here both are false. Yeah. Now look here. Variation is important for survival of species. It helps organism adapt to change environment. Absolutely. This is exactly answer is A. No other options here. Homologous organ indicate common ancestry. They have same structure but different function. What is the correct answer here? It's not true. Assertion is true. I don't have any problem with that. You people are answering now. Some people are typing and sending the answers here. So assertion is what? True. See, homologous organ indicate common ancestor. That's a true thing. They have same structure but different function is not true. Understood? Their functioning, their part is also same. So that is assertion is true but reason is false. I hope answer is correct. Assertion is true and reason is false. Understood? So R is not explaining the part. R is not explanation. R is not the correct explanation for assertion. They have same origin. Correct. Now tell me one thing. 26. Analogous is not in that part. Mendel proposed law of inheritance. He experimented on pea plant. Law of inheritance came. Correct answer is exactly A. Yes. So only 27th I shifted. The correct answer here is A. Sex of human child depends on the mother. Option is wrong. Female has XX form. This is correct, but first part is wrong. So assertion is wrong and reason is true. Fossil provide no. This is out of syllabus. Natural selection lead to evolution. Only the strongest origin survives. That's also true. Understood? A hormone shows slow but long lasting effect. Hormones are chemical messengers. Come on, go for it. Wait. Don't ask, don't tell them. Let them do on their own. Yes, the correct answer is A. So hormones show slow but long lasting effect and hormones are chemical messengers. So chemically they are getting transferred. Next, mutation can cause variation. No, sorry, breathing and respiration are the same. Both involve exchange of gases. Is it true? No. See, A is correct, R is correct, but they are not explaining. That's wrong. A is false. They both are not same. They both are not same. Respiration is exactly a full process where exchange of gases are involved. So respiration is quite bigger. So A is not correct here. Understood? 31. A is not correct. Understood now? Yes, breathing and respiration for 32. Mutation can cause variation. Tell me the 33rd answer. Mutation can cause variation. Yes, mutation can cause variation. Mutation is a change in DNA. Yes. So only variation is coming now. So answer is A. So very well the answer will be coming as A. 34 please say. 34 answer say. Plants show movement but not locomotion. Plants are fixed to the soil. Correct only na? Plant show movement but not locomotion. Locomotion means moving from one place to another. Why? Because plants are fixed. So this answer is only A. You're understanding? Now 35th. All variations are inherited? No. All variations are not inherited. Variation occur due to environmental factor? Yes, that is true. Now 36, evolution occur at the population level. Individual involved during their lifetime. What is the correct answer? Assertion is 100% true. But reason here is false. Okay? Insulin is a protein hormone. It is secreted by pancreas. Absolute answer. But reason is not explaining assertion. You see, insulin is a protein hormone. Absolutely correct. It is secreted by pancreas. It is secreted by pancreas. Both are true. But reason is not explaining assertion. So B is the option. Respiration occurs only in animals. Plants prepare their own food. A is false. R is true. A is false. Respiration is done in plant also. Now, a recessive trait appear in F2 generation. Recessive allele is expressed only in homologous series. I think this is the correct answer now. So 39th answer is what? A. 39th answer is 100% A. Adaptation increased chances of survival. Adaptations are inherited traits. So both are correct. And it is exactly explaining A. So this brings the end of the session. So we have finished total of 70 questions in 30. How much time we exactly did today? Miracle. We were so fast. Thank you so much, children. Today, how many questions? 60 to 70 questions we have done. And in what time slot? In only 38 minutes. Yes, that's very good. Super part, super better. You people have answered it nicely.